Hey everybody, it's Lynette Schaefer, and in this quick video, I'm going to be showing you the LHC1 and the BAYE3. So this is our BAYE3, and it is replacing EiKO's BAYE because it was really designed with performance and value in mind. However, it could definitely also replace the BAYE2 because it has some really great features similar to that BAYE2, like being available in both black and white. It is forged aluminum construction, 11-inch or 13 inches, weighs less than 7 pounds. It has a number of accessories available, including prismatic and aluminum reflectors and also cone lens. Now, these are not TIR optics. So if you want to change the optics, you really can't unless you just use a reflector. And then, of course, if you want to use that lens, you also have to use a reflector. Mounting is easy with the included eye bolt, or there's also the optional yoke for surface mounting, or there's also the hook mount, which was more similar to what came on the BAYE2 that is available as a separate accessory. It is compatible with our newest cylinder emergency battery backup versus the traditional linear style. This is much more conducive to these types of fixtures, and it looks a lot better when you go to install it. You can learn more about this particular emergency battery backup at EiKO.com. As you can see by the model configurator, it is available in a fixed wattage and power set, or fixed CCT and field set. The switches for selectable CCT and wattage are at the top of the fixture. There's actually a little rubber gasket that goes over the switches to keep the IP rating of 65. Black is standard, white is optional. It comes with a nice 10-foot power and dimming cord. That's a great little new feature, not that we had on the previous high bays, round high bays. At the factory, we can also add various cord ends if you need that. Now, since this fixture is also controls ready, we can easily add sensors or network lighting controls either at the factory, or it can easily be done in the field with no special wiring required. Now, as you can see by the model configurator, it makes it really easy to build your part number, as you can see in this example, and you're going to find this on all of our fixture spec sheets moving forward. Now, this fixture is great for many applications ranging from commercial to industrial to education. It is available in 120 to 277 or 120 to 347 volts, up to 150 lumens per watt. Fixed wattage is available up to 300 watts and comes in around 45,000 lumens. Power set version is available up to 240 watts, and that comes in about 36,000 lumens. Either the fixed CCT of 4,000 or 5,000 K. Otherwise, we've got that great field set feature, which gives you 35, 4,000, or 5,000 K. So besides field set and power set, additional key features include it being controls ready, which means you can easily add standalone sensors or network lighting controls without the need for any special wiring. You don't even need an electrician, and you can add the control solution or change it at any time that you want. All you have to do is just simply unscrew the cap and install either a standalone microwave or PIR sensor or network lighting control solution. Just be sure you refer to the spec sheet for the control options, because some of the control options are only available in Canada. Most of the ones available in the US will most likely need a screw-in Z10 adapter in conjunction with the control solution. And again, that's noted on the spec sheet. Also, keep in mind, if you're going to use a microwave sensor, please be sure to use a pendant mount, because you do not want the fixture to have any sway. I guess you could also maybe do surface mount. The key is you don't want that fixture to have any sway whatsoever, because it could set off the microwave sensor. And then the last feature is the fact that it has that 10-foot power and 0 to 10 volt dimming cord, and the fact that it has a number of ways to mount the fixture, including the eye bolt. This is a little bit different from the BAYE2. The little hook that used to be on the BAYE2 is actually a separate accessory. This one actually comes with an eye bolt instead. So that separate hook accessory is very similar to what you may be familiar with the BAYE2. That is an additional accessory though. The yoke mount really would be mainly for mounting it to a surface if you want to do that as well. Additional features include 6 kV of surge protection, 0 to 10 volt dimming with dim to off driver, 90-degree beam angle, optional prismatic or aluminum reflector and lens. And again, if you're going to use a lens, you have to use one of the reflectors. I believe it also has some wire guards too, and it's compatible with the newest cylinder battery backup, impact resistant polycarbonate lens, already mentioned matte black or white power coated forged aluminum construction. Ambient temp range goes down to -40 degrees Fahrenheit and up to 122 degrees F. And then just keep in mind, if you're going to add any controls to this, you want to look at the control spec sheet for operating temperature, because that could have an effect of where you're going to put that control solution. Certifications include UL listed for US and Canada, FCC, RoHS, IP65, 0 to 10 volt dimming, power set, field set, controls ready for standalone or network lighting controls, and it comes with a 5-year warranty. DLC is currently pending, but it should be all wrapped up by the end of March, if not sooner. So the next one is our compact linear high bay. This is the smallest and lightest weight linear fixture that EiKO has had, coming in at just 4.4 pounds and 14 by 11 inches. Comes with V-hooks and aircraft cables. Additional accessories include pendant mount kit, threaded rod and surface mount kit, as well as a wire guard. They are also compatible with these emergency battery backup options. Actually, there's just one. It is actually compatible with the cylinder looking one, but the cylinder one just wouldn't make sense to use. It just doesn't fit on the fixture very well. So we recommend this linear design. Again, this particular battery backup is found on the spec sheet. Also, I realize some of you may be wondering why the emergency battery backups are not that long. And when you look at like the LLHE, we had a number of different EMs available. It's mainly because the LLHE driver is different from this driver, and different drivers require different voltage requirements. And so that's why we only have this one compatible emergency battery back this time. As you can see by the model configurator, this product is only available in power set and only fixed CCT, 120 to 277 volt and 0 to 10 volt dimming. Through our fixture modification, we can add various cords and cord ends. Since this also is controls ready, we can easily add sensors or network lighting controls either at the factory, or again, it can easily be done in the field with no special wiring. Now, this fixture is great for many applications, including commercial, industrial, and retail settings. As I mentioned, it is available in 120 to 277 volts, up to 140 lumens per watt. Power set featuring 4 lumen stops, coming in at 150, 130, 110, and 90 watts. Lumens range from 12,600 up to 21,000. It is a fixed CCT of either 4,000 or 5,000 Kelvin. Now, besides the power set option, additional features include the lightweight and compact design, which makes it an easy one-person installation. Again, controls ready means you can easily add standalone sensors, microwave or PIR, or network lighting controls without the need for any special wiring. You simply unscrew the cap and install either the control solution, whether that is standalone or network. Just be sure to, again, check the spec sheet, because there are some controls that are only available in Canada. Most of those that are going to be available in the US, we do recommend using a screw-in Z10 adapter in conjunction with the control solution. Also, as another little reminder, if you're using a microwave sensor, make sure you don't have any sway in that fixture. And the last key feature is that it has V-hooks and cables that are included in the box. And there are, of course, other accessories available for mounting as well. Additional features include 6 kV of surge protection, 0 to 10 volt dimming with dimmed off driver, 90-degree beam angle, polycarbonate lens, white power coated die-cast aluminum style with molded heat sink fins, enhance the performance and heat dissipation, negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit up to 122 degrees F, or also you can go and again, if you're going to add sensors, you just need to make sure that you confirm the operating temperature of those sensors. So although this fixture is negative 40 to 122, check to see what the sensors ratings are before you actually specify the whole project if you're using sensors or network lighting controls. Certifications include UL listed for US and Canada, FCC, RoHS, damp location, 0 to 10 volt dimming, power set, controls ready for standalone or network lighting controls, comes with a 5-year warranty, and DLC is currently pending. That should be wrapped up though by the end of March. If you have any questions, you can contact me at lynette.schaefer@eiko.com.